This tutorial will show how to edit or create design strips in SAFE. We start with a slab created using a template. Slabs developed with templates have design strips predefined. Note that the default layer shown is the structural layer. The key when working with design strips is to set the view to either the Y or X strip layer. Once a strip layer has been selected, a right-click on a strip will bring up an edit box with dimensional information. Either the X and Y edge locations, if doing by edges, or the centroid and widths, if doing by center. We may delete a strip by simply selecting and hitting the delete key, just like any other area object. To change the size of a strip, right-click on the strip and edit the dimension. In this case, we are replacing two strips with a single one. Next, we run the analysis. And then start the design. Note that the design reflects the change in our bottom X strip, where we combine the two strips into a single, wider strip. Next, we will look at a slab created without templates. For this case, we will need to define strips as none have been predefined. Again, the key is to switch to a strip layer plan view. Now we can draw rectangular area objects to represent the design strips. We can use the various snap options just as though we were drawing a slab element. Again, a right-click on any strip gives us the dimensional properties, either by edge or by center definition. Once we have defined some strips, we run the analysis and then start the design. Note that no design information is initially displayed, as the default view is in the X direction, and we define the strips only in the Y direction. We can view the Y direction design by going to Design, Display Slab Info, and choosing the Y direction strip. Now we see that the design information has been generated for the two design strips that we defined. This concludes this tutorial.